Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about a carpet that is not drying after cleaning the carpet. I'll be showing you and telling you how to get it to dry faster. So if your carpet is not drying after cleaning it, I'll be showing you and telling you specifically how to get it to dry faster, how to make it dry much faster. Let's get right into the video. So let's assume that you just cleaned the carpet, okay? And it's still wet, and it's been hours, it's been overnight, it's been a couple days, it's still wet. This happens from time to time depending on how much water or cleaning solution and what type of cleaning solution you put into the carpet, as well as how thick the carpet is, as well as how exposed it is to the air, okay? So I'll be going over 4 easy ways to get it to dry really, really fast. These are great methods, okay? Now, let's get into this. I'm gonna go through these quickly, so pay attention, take some notes, try them out at home, and hopefully one of them works for you. Number 1 is to use a hair dryer if it is a small wet area. So let's say that you just clean this area over here, or even like this whole area over here, and you wanna get it to dry faster. Just get a hair dryer, put it on the hottest setting, or even just a warm setting at least, and just hair dry that area right there as if you're drying your own hair. Obviously, I can't relate anymore. I lost my hair many years ago, but just dry that specific area. And you want to do this for as long as it takes. You want to get it to the point where at least it's like almost dry, because in the last little bit it can probably dry itself, but you don't want to let it be too wet for too long, because then that breeds bacteria, mold, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, so use a hair dryer to sort of spot dry the carpet and in a specific area. If that doesn't work, or you have a bigger area, you're going to move on to number 2, which is to use a large fan. If you clean the whole carpet and you want to dry the whole carpet, then you want to use a large fan. And by large fan, I mean the largest fan that you can find, or even multiple large fans. And you want to try and direct that air as much as you can on the surface of the carpet. Not necessarily directly at the carpet, like downwards, but across the surface, because that's going to take the moisture and it's going to bring it into the air around you, which will in turn dry the carpet. You can always borrow like your neighbor's fans, or your parents' fans too, or your sister, brother's fans, whatever the case is. You can borrow fans from people, but you want to get as many fans as possible. The bigger the carpet that's wet, the bigger the carpeted area that's wet, the more fans you're going to need. It's as simple as that, okay? If that doesn't help you out and that doesn't work, or you need more, you want to take it a step further, then you're going to move on to step or solution number 3, and obviously the more of these that you use in combination with each other, the faster that it's going to dry. So number 3 is to get the carpet off of the floor if possible. If your carpet is glued down to the floor, nailed down to the floor, stapled down to the floor, obviously you can't get it off the floor. But if you have a carpet like this is just actually a trimming. I trimmed one of my carpets to fit a room a little bit better. It's like an old room with an old carpet. My drum set just sits on it, my electronic drum set. So not a big deal. Like, I didn't care about the carpet, but this is just the extra piece that I trimmed off, and I use it for videos essentially. But you want to get the carpet off the floor and into the air. So if you can remove the rug or the carpet and put it and hang it on something along with the fans and the hair dryer method, it's going to dry super fast, because that's going to get the bottom exposed to the air as well. If it's on the floor and it's stuck on the floor, you can't do anything about it. No big deal. Just do the other things as well. Okay. And lastly, number 4, which is probably one of the things that is most overlooked, but it's super helpful, especially if you use it in conjunction with the other stuff from this video. And number 4 is to dehumidify the surrounding area of the room. And that's if possible, obviously. So essentially, if you have a dehumidifier in a different room, put it in the room with the carpet, okay, with the wet carpet. I'll tell you why. That's going to suck the humidity out of the air, and the air wants to get humidity from whatever it is surrounding it. So the air is going to try and wick up the moisture and humidity from the carpet. That moisture is going to be released from the carpet. It's going to go into the surrounding air, and the dehumidifier is going to suck up that extra moisture. So essentially, you're going to be transferring the moisture and the wetness from the carpet to the dehumidifier. Try that out, because believe it or not, it will work wonders with regards to helping you, dry a carpet after you've cleaned it. But that is essentially it. If you like this video tutorial with these 4 simple steps, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And obviously, you can use them in conjunction with each other. That's going to help you the most. And I got carpet all over my jacket now, so I do apologize, but I'm going to clean this up right now. The truck needs a nice cleaning. Anyways, once again, if you like this video tutorial with these 4 easy steps to follow along with, super simple, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.